This is the SAKER 4-inch mini chainsaw. Let's take it out of the box. In the box you get the manual for it. Here's the saw itself, of course, the battery, which is 20 volts, and the charger for it. Charger plugs in right over here when you are ready to charge it, so that means you must remove it from the chainsaw to use it. They give you a screwdriver, Phillips, and a wrench over here, which will fit that. I'll show you in a bit. And an oiler bottle. This one happens to have oil in it. When you run out, use any kind of lubricating oil, like motor oil or something like that. And that pretty much is it. So it's a 4-inch saw. As you see, you got about 4 inches right there, so it will handle up to a 4-inch branch. While we don't have the battery in, I can show you the chain here. To release the trigger, it's locked. Press the button and then it goes. So you go like this. So you use your thumb and then you can pull it like that. The next question you're going to have is, how long will the battery last? The battery is going to last 2 hours running the saw continuously, which nobody's going to do. So you'll get about 4 hours or so of light-duty use. Cutting a branch here, cutting a branch there, things like that. This is also available in different packs. In other words, you can get this where it would include an extra battery, which is a nice thing, and an extra chain for it, for when that gets dull. You can sharpen it with any chainsaw chain sharpener like that. In the multi-packs like that, you'd also get a carrying case for the unit as such. It has a 550 watt motor and weighs about 2.5 pounds actually using it with the battery on it. I'm going to leave the battery off for now because I just want to show you how easy it is to get to the chain here. Put this on right here and you can loosen that nut, which you can then spin off by hand right here. Pull the cover, and now you can get to everything that you need right there to replace the chain should that become necessary. Let's go ahead and cut something with this. Best thing I can think of, since it's a 4-inch saw, is a 2x4. Let's do it. One really nice thing, as you see, is the saw will stand up just like that. Now let's go ahead and cut. There's nothing to it in terms of operation. You just press the button here, squeeze the trigger, start the tool first, because if you have it on the wood, it'll kick back. And we'll go ahead and chop this down. Let's do another one. Pretty nice. That worked pretty well. If you're doing pruning in your yard, you have a tree with unruly branches, anything like that, this will cut through it. This was kind of a torture test going through a 2x4 like that because it is a 4-inch saw, so it's practically the actual width of the blade. So that was like the most it's going to cut. Of course, if it's round, it gets smaller at the beginning and then widest at the middle and smaller at the end because branches are round. So this was through and through 4 inches, or 3.5, because that's what a 2x4 is. But all in all, it did a great job with it. So once again, this was the SAKER 4-inch mini chainsaw. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.